Hi everyone, Vineet here. So today we'll be writing a program of another interesting interview question, that is find first non-duplicate character in string expression. So we have here multiple approaches to solve this problem. The first is brute force approach, but the complexity of brute force approach will be order of n square. So we'll not use that approach here. And another approach will be using hash map, which will give order of n complexity in this program. But the hash map is inbuilt data structure and we are avoiding use of inbuilt data structure in this program, and we'll try to use here simpler approach with order of n complexity. So let's get started with the program. The method name will be find non-duplicate character, and the parameter will be string expression. So inside this method, the first step will be we will be iterating each character of this string expression. So to do that, we have to convert this expression in character array. So inside that loop, we'll say we'll try to get index of this current character. Index of current character. If the current character index is equal to expression dot last index of current character. So in that case, you can return ch. So what we are doing here, we are saying if you have current character index that is equal to the last character index, means let's say if we have students here, so here S is duplicate, T is duplicate, you can see U is not duplicate. So what we are trying to do here, we are saying expression dot index of ch. So let's say if ch value is containing U, so we are getting the index of U, that is 0, 1, 2, and again the last index of ch, the last index of U will be again 2. So it's equal because we have only one occurrence of the character in string expression. So if both this pointer is pointing to the same index, in that case we can say we found first non-duplicate character, and you can return that character to the caller method. So this is the simple approach. So after this loop, if there is nothing inside this expression that is non-duplicate, that is unique, so we can return here 0. And this is a simple approach. Let's call this find non-duplicate character method, and let's pass here students. So now we are expecting the first non-duplicate character is U, so it should return U. Let's pass one message here. So let's test this program. The first non-duplicate character is U. So you can see here it's working fine. Let's change this input as Vineet, and let's give it as, okay, let's just test this one. So it's saying first non-duplicate character is V. Yeah, it's non-duplicate and also it's a first character. So let's pass it here. Let's not make this V as first non-duplicate. Let's make N, because now N is first non-duplicate character. So let's test. Second one is T, but we are making N as first non-duplicate character. Let's compile and test whether we are getting N as a first non-duplicate character or not. Yeah, we are getting N is first non-duplicate character. So this program is working fine. This small logic is working fine, guys. And that's it from this video, guys. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much.